So this macro is created hopefully to remove swarf, clean the part, dry the part, so when the robot removes the part from the machine it's not dripping coolant everywhere. So let's see how she goes. So the fan will retract to a safe position before it closes its blades. It's indexing to a new position so that we can clean the face. Again, it slows the spindle speed down so it's not a massive shock to it. Closes it in a safe position. So spindle 1, it high pressure coolant to wash the jaws of any swarf that is built up during the part previous. And again, fan just to make sure there's no swarf in there. Again, retracts to a safe position before it closes. And blue light.